Today, we meet Amy's friend Sam. Let's read Amy and Sam. The special word in this story is the word and. Say it. Amy and Sam run. Amy and Sam run. Amy and Sam hop. Amy and Sam hop. Amy and Sam slide. Amy and Sam slide. Amy and Sam are hungry. Amy and Sam are hungry. They eat. They eat. They can run again. They can run again. Amy and Sam are happy. Amy and Sam are happy. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review as we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. Remember the word and. What does it say? It says, Amy and Sam slide. Read this. How do they feel? It says Amy and Sam are hungry. Read. What does it say? It says Amy and Sam are happy. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. And. Let's play a game. I will show some words, and you have to find the word and. Like this. Find the word and. And. One more time, find and. And. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.